Okay, so it's been raining for like the past week, just about every day, all night. And I want to show you something. See the water? That's definitely not normally like that. I mean, I could put minnows in here and they would survive for at least a couple of days, or at least until, all the water drained out. More flooding here. I can be able to tell, but yeah, definitely along here. And then, the light makes it more noticeable. There's definitely it's like completely submerged this corner right here. So yeah. It's bad. It's bad out here. And you can come out front where the Jeep usually is parked. It's crazy. I think that might be it. So I was wrong. Parts of the neighborhood do flood.